Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to change number of products displayed per page. So I'm using Astra WordPress theme, and now here you can see currently I have 12 products on shop page. So let's see how we can change it. Simply you can go to theme customizer. So every WordPress theme have a customizer. Then on the left side you can easily customize and change anything. Okay, after that make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin. Then you can simply go and click here, then click on product catalog, then scroll down, and here you can see currently 12 products are selected. Okay, now let me select 6. So this is just for the practice. You can select 16, 22, whatever you want. Okay, now let me go back and reload this page. Now here you can see only 6 products are available on one